Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting announcements in the world of AI, Grok AI by X.com, formerly Twitter. A few days ago, Elon Musk made an announcement about bringing Grok AI access to everyone. And guess what? You can now use it for free without needing an X.com premium subscription. Let's get started by exploring the details straight from the official blog post shared by X.com. Here's what X.com says about Grok. Grok is now faster, sharper, and has improved multilingual support. It's available to everyone on the platform. Since the launch of Grok 2 in August, the team has worked hard to improve its speed, accuracy, and instruction-following abilities. Grok 2 is now 3 times faster and supports more languages than ever. While free access is available to everyone, Premium and Premium Plus users enjoy higher usage limits and early access to upcoming features. One standout feature is Grok's ability to perform web searches and provide citations. It can leverage X.com posts and web pages to give you real-time, accurate answers to your queries. Plus, you can dive deeper into the sources to verify the information. Aurora, the image generation model. Grok now includes Aurora, a cutting-edge image generation model. Aurora is an autoregressive network trained on billions of examples, offering stunning photorealistic rendering, artistic text creation, and even meme generation. You can use the Draw Me feature to generate reimagined versions of yourself or create unique artworks using just a prompt. The new Grok button is another feature designed to provide relevant context, real-time event insights, and deep dives into trending topics directly from your X.com timeline. Developers take note, Grok AI now offers enterprise API access with models like Grok 2-1212 and Grok 2 Vision 1212, priced at just $2 per 1M input tokens and $10 per 1M output tokens. Plus, you'll get $25 in free credits to start exploring. In the coming weeks, Aurora will also be available via the API, allowing developers to generate photorealistic images for their applications. Grok's image generation capabilities have been supercharged with Aurora, which excels in creating photorealistic visuals, artistic text, meme, realistic portraits of celebrities, logos, and more. In entity generation, they used a prompt, Cybertruck under an Aurora. In Grok's output, it is realistic, but Imagen 3's generated image does not match or resemble the original Cybertruck. Flux.1 Pro's output shows a big truck, and Ideogram 2.0's output is also somewhat mismatched. DALL-E refused to generate the image. In the artistic section, they used the prompt, Stars in a Galaxy spelling Grok. All the models created images here, but comparatively, Grok and Ideogram gave better outputs. In the meme generation section, they used the prompt, Anime Pepe. Again, all the models created images. Grok, Imagen 3, and Ideogram gave meme template-style outputs, while Flux.1 Pro generated a realistic image. In realistic portraits, they used the prompt, a man with wet rainbow hair and a neon blue raincoat standing in heavy rain on the city street. For this prompt, all the models gave outputs, but Grok's was notably good. In the celebrity section, they used the prompt, Elon Musk wearing an XAI jacket with a USA flag in the background. Imagen 3 and DALL-E 3 refused to generate the image, but other models did. Among them, each had its own advantages and disadvantages. Let's test Grok AI. Now let's jump into the Grok AI interface. At the top, you'll notice Grok 2, which means we're using the latest model. The interface is user-friendly with options to upload files, quick suggestions, and even trending topics. Before we test the features, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth AI content. And hey, if you'd like to support the channel, check out my Buy Me a Coffee page. The link is in the description. Below the text box on Grok's page, you'll find several quick suggestion sections tailored to different use cases. It even displays trending interest-based news, which is a nice touch. I decided to test the "What can you do?" option from the suggestions. Here's the response Grok provided. I can assist you in a variety of ways. Answer questions. I can provide information on almost any topic, from science and history to culture and technology. If I don't know the answer or it's about recent events beyond my last update, I can search the web for you. Analyze content. I can analyze text, images, or PDFs you share, offering insights or summaries. Web and social media insights. I can examine posts on X, formerly Twitter, and provide analysis or commentary. I can also look at user profiles to provide information like usernames, handles, and public posts. Generate images. I can create images based on your descriptions or requirements. Technical and mathematical assistance. I can help with coding questions by providing code in Markdown blocks or solving math problems using LaTeX for equations. Language and translation. I can assist with language translations or explain linguistic concepts. Critical thinking. For controversial or complex topics, I aim to offer objective views, present multiple perspectives, and encourage critical examination of narratives. General assistance. From daily tasks and planning to giving advice, I'm here to help in various ways. The response ends with a reminder. Remember, while I strive for maximum helpfulness, I have limitations like not being able to execute code or access private information about users or the internal workings of platforms like X. If you have a specific task or question in mind, feel free to ask. After this, I started testing Grok AI and gave it prompts to generate images. Let's now move into hands-on testing, starting with Grok's DALL-E feature. This tool generates an artistic image based on your profile. I gave it a shot, and while the quality was great, the result didn't look much like me. Still, it's impressive to see how it attempts to reinterpret your likeness artistically. Next, I explored a scenario featuring Narendra Modi meditating on a futuristic skyscraper with a glowing Indian flag behind him. The results were spectacular, vivid, and detailed with no major issues. The Indian flag looked perfect, and Modi's likeness was accurate, which many other tools struggle to achieve. For a more lighthearted test, I imagined Donald Trump serving ice cream at a beachside cart surrounded by cheering children. While Grok produced a few good images, one was censored, and another had some odd details like a strangely shaped ice cream cone. Then, I got creative with Michael Jackson performing the moonwalk on a glowing dance floor in space. The results were visually striking at first glance, but zooming in revealed missing details, such as incomplete facial features. Curious about how Grok handles dynamic settings, I envisioned Lionel Messi juggling a glowing soccer ball on top of the Eiffel Tower at night. While Messi looked realistic, the Eiffel Tower appeared too far in the background, and the soccer ball wasn't as prominent as I had hoped. For a fun twist, I tried a scene of Cristiano Ronaldo scoring a bicycle kick goal in a stadium filled with cheering robots. Unfortunately, this test exposed Grok's weaknesses. Some images had distorted legs and even strange animal-like toes, while others included oddly shaped robots and incomplete actions. I then went for a collaborative prompt featuring Elon Musk and Narendra Modi shaking hands on the moon with a SpaceX rocket in the background. Grok handled this beautifully, with realistic characters and a cohesive composition. Another fun idea was Trump and Michael Jackson hosting a karaoke night in a neon-lit diner. While a couple of the outputs were decent, one accidentally featured two Trumps instead of Michael Jackson, which was both amusing and disappointing. Finally, I imagined Ronaldo and Neymar playing chess in a royal palace. The results were well crafted, with detailed characters and minimal flaws. I decided to test another interesting prompt: Neymar painting graffiti on a city wall, creating an artistic mural of his career highlights. The AI generated 4 images, and while the wall and graffiti looked good, Neymar's hands in all the pictures appeared strange, and the brushes in the images seemed off. The output aligned with the prompt but lacked some critical details and realism. This is an area where improvements are definitely needed. Next, I gave a prompt related to a popular Indian actor Thala Ajith as a race car driver, crossing the finish line with fans waving checkered flags. The AI created multiple outputs, and most of them were excellent. However, in the first image, the color of the clothing didn't quite match the theme. Apart from that, the other images captured the essence of the prompt beautifully. Finally, I tried something more imaginative: Mahatma Gandhi leading a peaceful protest in a cyberpunk futuristic city, holding a holographic staff. The AI generated a stunning first image where Gandhi looked incredibly realistic and cool in the futuristic setting. While there were minor issues in some elements, the character consistency in this output was impressive, showcasing Grok AI's potential to handle creative and bold prompts. I decided to shift gears and test Grok's skills in generating natural scenes. First, I asked it to create an Aurora borealis glowing above a snowy landscape with a family of polar bears gazing at the lights. The output was beautiful overall, though some polar bears had oddly shaped faces. Next, I went for a serene landscape featuring the Milky Way galaxy reflecting in a calm lake surrounded by pine trees. While the images were visually stunning, the resolution wasn't high enough for sharing without upscaling. For a vibrant scene, I asked for a group of flamingos wading through a golden sunrise in a peaceful wetland. While the overall composition was lovely, a closer look revealed incomplete flamingo heads in some images. Then I tried something regal: a lion standing majestically on a cliff during sunset, overlooking a vast savanna. Grok delivered fantastic results with no major issues. Finally, for a whimsical twist, I imagined a golden retriever wearing astronaut gear, exploring an alien planet with glowing vegetation and 2 suns in the sky. The results were magical, with unique and creative interpretations. After exploring various prompts, I hit the free usage limit for the day. Grok AI shines in character consistency and creative flexibility, making it a fantastic tool for generating realistic images of famous personalities. If you want more features and higher limits, consider subscribing to X.com's premium tier. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.